Hey guys, welcome back. I'm home. As you can see, a little corner of my old studio with some escalators around here and whatnot. And I don't really know what to say, but sometimes I will just turn on the camera and start talking whatever comes to my mind. I just did a Q&A video on my other channel. And I got an interesting question actually regarding Daytona about the guy he ordered. He did some research. What are some of the best watches you need to invest in? Even though I do not agree, I think you should invest in property, in real estate, and watches. Uh, some rare watches like the day date emoji day date and those three other overlooked stone dial day dates. Those are they are watches investment worthy, but for a regular guy looking to, he ordered white gold blue dial Daytona and last year, and he got the call, and now he saw the market prices. The prices went down. He says one good thing is it is discontinued. However, however, he's wondering, uh, should he take it? Should he buy it? Because prices have went down, and that investment opportunity just uh, bursted like a bubble. So I don't know. I told him my usual spiel: watches are not investments unless you really like it. Don't go for it. And I don't think that particular Daytona should become they'll become cult following. They'll have cult following like John Mayer Daytona or something. It's just a white gold blue dial Daytona. Looks amazing, but it's a white gold. It gets scratches easily, so I don't think it will go below retail. But yeah, it's not certainly not an investment. Anyways, I returned home. I reached home, and I returned home last night. I took a mini vacation, and yeah, I'm gonna enjoy myself. Actually, going on a music show tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow with my wife. It's gonna be our little date. Yeah. And yeah, I'm doing my doing my notice at the job. I'm doing my notice at the job, and soon, after a vacation, full vacation, I'm gonna go to the seaside. I'm gonna start my new job. So yeah, wearing my summer watch, Navy timer on a mesh. I think it looks great on any band, but on a mesh for summer, I think we have a winner. So just wanted to check in with you guys once more, and if you have any questions or any topics, we can talk in next video. Write me down below.